First Roman, choose the correct answer. Number 1. Where was Bharatiyar born? Where was Bharatiyar born? The options are A. Ettayapuram, B. Madurai and C. Dindikkal. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, the correct answer is option A. Ettayapuram. So, Bharatiyar was born in a village called Ettayapuram. Number 2. Dash was not composed by Bharatiyar. Dash was not composed by Bharatiyar. The options are A. Vande Mataram, B. Achamillai and C. Katti Inji. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, Katti Inji. Vande Mataram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum, Jayabharadam, these poems are written by Bharatiyar. But the question is, Dash was not composed by Bharatiyar. The poem was not composed by Bharatiyar. So the answer is Katti Inji. Question number 3. Dash is known as Kappalottiya Tamilan. Dash is known as Kappalottiya Tamilan. The options are A. Subramania Siva, B. Bharatiyar and C. V.O. Chidambaram. The answer is V.O. Chidambaram. So, V.O. Chidambaram is known as Kappalottiya Tamilan. Number 4. Who coined the slogan Jai Hind? Who coined the slogan Jai Hind? Option A. Bharatiyar. Option B. Chembagaraman. Option C. V.O. Chidambaram. The answer is Chembagaraman. Chembagaraman coined the slogan Jai Hind. Next, number 5. Who started a monthly newspaper Jnanabanu? Who started a monthly newspaper Jnanabanu? Option A. Subramania Siva. Option B. Bharatiyar. Option C. V.O. Chidambaram. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, the answer is option A. Subramania Siva. So, Subramania Siva started a monthly newspaper Jnanabanu. Children, next we will see the second Roman fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash was an officer of the Indian National Army. Dash was an officer of the Indian National Army. The answer is Lakshmi Sahal. So, Lakshmi Sahal was an officer of the Indian National Army. Number 2. The dash of the Dindikkal district is named as Tyagi Subramania Siva Maligai. The dash of the Dindikkal district is named as Tyagi Subramania Siva Maligai. The answer is Collector Office. The Collector Office of the Dindikkal district is named as Tyagi Subramania Siva Maligai. Question number 3. Dash started the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. Dash started the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. The answer is V.O. Chidambaram. So, V.O. Chidambaram started the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. Question number 4. Bharati started writing poems at the age of dash. Bharati started writing poems at the age of dash. The answer is 7. So, Bharati started writing poems at the age of 7. Question number 5. Independence Day is celebrated on dash. Independence Day is celebrated on dash. The answer is 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Third Roman, match the following. Children, first I'll read the questions. Number 1, Desabandhu Youth Association, Bharadiyar. Number 2, Dindukkal, Tirupur Kumaran. Number 3, International Pro-India Committee, Subramania Siva. Number 4, Swadesamitran, V.O. Chidambaram. Number 5, Lawyer, Chembagaraman. Shall we match it now, children? Okay. First one, Desabandhu Youth Association. The answer is Tirupur Kumaran. Next, Dindukkal. The answer is Subramania Siva. Third one, International Pro-India Committee. The answer is Chembagaraman. Number 4, Swadesamitran, Bharadiyar. Lawyer, the answer is V.O. Chidambaram. Children, I repeat it once again. Desabandhu Youth Association, Tirupur Kumaran. Dindukkal, Subramania Siva. International Pro-India Committee, Chembagaraman. Swadesamitran, Bharadiyar. Lawyer, V.O. Chidambaram. Fourth Roman, write the missing letters. Children, we have 5 words here. In each verse, 2 letters are missing. So, we have to find it and fill it in the dash. First one, CO-NT-Y. CO-NT-Y. The word is country. The spelling for country is COUNTRY. Country. Number 2, DI-DUAL. DI-DUAL. The word is Dindukkal. So, the spelling for Dindukkal is DINDUGAL. Dindukkal. Next, number 3, L-WY-R. L-WY-R. The word is lawyer. The spelling for lawyer is LAWYER. Lawyer. Next, number 4, BH-RA-HI. BH-RA-HI. The word is Bharati. The spelling for Bharati is BHARATHI. Bharati. Next, number 5, FRE-D-M. FRE-D-M. The word is freedom. Spelling for freedom is FREEDOM. Freedom. Country, Dindukkal, lawyer, Bharati and freedom. Next, fifth Roman, answer the following. Children, 5 questions are here. We will see the answer for this. Question number 1. Name the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Name the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Subramania Bharati, V.O. Chidambaram, Chembagaraman, Subramania Siva, Tirupur Kumaran and Lakshmi Sahal. Subramania Bharati. S-U-B-R-A Subra Maniya M-A-N-I-Y-A Maniya. Subramania Bharati B-H-A-R-A-T-H-I Bharati. Subramania Bharati. V-O Chidambaram. V-O Chidambaram. C-H-I-D-A-M Chidambaram. B-A-R-A-M Chidambaram. Chembagaraman. C-H-E-M-P-A-K-A Chembaga Raman. R-A-M-A-N Raman. Chembagaraman. Subramania Siva. S-U-B-R-A Subra Maniya M-A-N-I-A Maniya. Subramania Siva. S-I-V-A Siva. Tirupur Kumaran. T-I-R-U-P-P-U-R Tirupur Kumaran. K-U-M-A-R-A-N Kumaran. Tirupur Kumaran. Lakshmi Sahal. L-A-K-S-H-M-I Lakshmi Sahal. S-A-H-G-A-L Sahal. Lakshmi Sahal. Question number 2. Name some poems written by Bharatiyar. Name some poems written by Bharatiyar. Vande Madaram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum and Jaya Bharatam. Vande Madaram. V-A-N-D-E Vande Madaram. M-A-T-H-A-R-A-M Madaram. Vande Madaram. Achamillai. A-C-H-A-M Acham Illai. I-L-L-A-I Illai. Achamillai. Endayum Thayum. E-N-T-H-A-I-Y-U-M Endayum Thayum. T-H-A-A-Y-U-M Thayum. Endayum Thayum. Jaya Bharatam. J-A-Y-A Jaya Bharatam. B-H-A-R-A-T-H-A-M Bharatam. Jaya Bharatam. Vande Madaram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum and Jaya Bharatam. Question number 3. When do we celebrate our Republic Day? When do we celebrate our Republic Day? The answer is we celebrate our Republic Day on 26th January. We celebrate our Republic Day on 26th January. W-E-V Celebrate. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E Celebrate. R O-U-R-R Republic. R-E-P-U-B-L-I-C Republic Day. D-A-Y Day. On. O-N On 26th January. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y January. We celebrate our Republic Day on 26th January. Question number 4. Who was the lawyer? Who was the lawyer? The answer is V.O. Chidambaram was a lawyer. V.O. Chidambaram was a lawyer. V.O. Chidambaram. Chidambaram Chidambaram was a was a lawyer. Lawyer lawyer. V.O. Chidambaram was a lawyer. Question number 5. Write a short note on Tirupur Kumaran. Write a short note on Tirupur Kumaran. He is a freedom fighter from Tirupur. He is a freedom. FREEDOM freedom fighter. FIGHTER fighter. From from Tirupur. TIRUPPUR Tirupur. He is a freedom fighter from Tirupur. He started Desabandhu Youth Association. He started started Desa Desa Bandhu 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 Youth 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 Association ASSOCIATION Association. He started Desabandhu Youth Association. During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. During 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 the protest 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 against 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 the British 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 he died died holding 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 the national 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 flag 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 OF of India INDIA India. During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. So, he is called Kodikatha Kumaran. HEIS called 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 Kodikatha KODI Kodi Katha KATHA Kodikatha Kumaran 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 Kodikatha Kumaran. Next, 6th Roman, answer in detail. Children, we have 2 questions here. We will see the answer now. Question number 1. Write about the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. Write about the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. The answer is, it was the first Indian shipping company. It was started by V.O. Chidambaram. He started it between Tuticorin and Colombo against British ships. ITAWAS was THE first FIRST first, Indian, 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 shipping, 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 company, COMPANY, company. It was the first Indian shipping company. It was started by V.O. Chidambaram. IT WAS was started. STARTED, started. BY by V.O. Chidambaram. CHIDAMBARAM, Chidambaram. It was started by V.O. Chidambaram. He started it between Tuticorin and Colombo against British ships. He started. STARTED, started. IT between. BETWEEN, between. Tuticorin, TUTICORIN, Tuticorin. And. Colombo, COLOMBO, Colombo. Against, AGAINST, against. British, BRITISH, British. Ships, SHIPS, ships. He started it between Tuticorin and Colombo against British ships. Question number 2. What is the contribution of Chembagaraman in freedom struggle? What is the contribution of Chembagaraman in freedom struggle? The answer is Chembagaraman established an international pro-India committee. Chembagaraman, CHEMPAKARAMAN, Chembagaraman, established. ESTABLISHED, established. An international. INTER, international. NATIONAL, national. International pro-India, PRO, pro. India, INDIA, India. Committee, COMMITTEE, committee. Chembagaraman established an international pro-India committee. He joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. He joined. JOINED, joined. The Indian, INDIAN, Indian. Independence, INDEPENDENCE, Independence. Committee, COMMITTEE, committee. In Berlin, BERLIN, Berlin. He joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. He coined the slogan Jai Hind. Coined, COINED, coined. Slogan, GAN, slogan. Jai Hind, JAI, Jai Hind, 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 Jai Hind. He coined the slogan Jai Hind.